Hi.
Hi, everybody. Today we're going to learn the days of the week. Yay!
Baby alive. So,
Hello, baby alive. What's your name?
I'm baby alive.
Oh, your name is Baby Alive?
Yeah.
Well, nice to meet you, Baby Alive.
Take a bottle.
Do you want to learn the days of the week today, Baby Alive?
Ready, set, go.
Oh, she said ready, set, go. Okay. Repeat after me. Sunday,
Sunday,
Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday.
Thursday,
Say Thursday.
Thursday,
Friday,
Friday,
Saturday.
Saturday.
Yay! There are 7 days in a week. Now we're going to sing our song. Ready? Do you want to sing with Baby Alive?
Okay.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yay! Good job, Emma. Good job, Baby Alive. Emma, let's see if you can say the days of the week now.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Saturday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, week.
Yay! So Emma and Miss Baby Alive, what is your favorite day of the week?
Monday.
You like Mondays best? Baby Alive, what is your favorite day of the week?
Sunday.
Sunday? Wow! Well, let's tell all our friends the days of the week one more time, okay?
Okay. Ready?
Sunday,
Sunday,
Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Friday,
Sunday,
and Saturday.
Yeah!
Yay! Woo, 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 woo. Good job, everybody. Can you tell me what the days of the week are, Emma?
Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. Okay.
Whoa! There's Emma.
Yesterday,
Sunday, Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,